Hey guys, just a small update. So what happened is 2 दिन पहले मेरे दो रीसेलर्स को एक पर्सन ने स्कैम किया. That person posed at a jewelry dealer basically, and he kind of contacted them on WhatsApp. और उसने काफ़ी सारे पिक्स वगैरह शेयर किए जिसकी प्राइजेस अनबिलीवेबल थी. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स somebody would get tempted to look for more dealers when you are into reselling. So what happened is these two resellers, I'm not going to name them, they were lured. And फिर उसने उसका strategy ये था कि he contacted them with different names basically. One was Rahul Art Jewelry, and I don't remember the name of the second what alias he used. So basically, what he did was he contacted them through WhatsApp, lured them with the pics and prices. He waited for 1 week, just to keep them engaging. और एक डीलर को तो उसने आई मीन एक रिसेलर को तो उसने 2 वीक तक पिक्स वगैरह भेजे टू गेन द ट्रस्ट एंड ऑल. And he told them that I can make it. I'm a jewelry manufacturer and I can make it so cheap. I work on stone basis and all. So I don't. You will not have to pay basically like you pay for a proper, known manufacturer or a branded one. So you'll get it very cheap. And I take 3-4 days to make the product. So obviously anybody would get lured, and both fell into the trap. Both fell into the trap, and eventually they ordered some products. And for both, what happened is he shared a scan code, and the scan code, when they made the payment, the banking name was Nikit Bhati. So basically we know that this is the same person who contacted each of them with a different name, and both paid. Both were not sent anything. Especially one reseller, उसका तो बहुत टेंशन बढ़ गया because she had ordered for one of her customer. So customer was angry. Customer was on her head. No products were given. Their money was gone. And this man or whoever it was, he ghosted, stopped responding, blocked them. And you know what happens? Stress batta hai. They were like, okay, what do I do? What do I do? So in this case, the first thing you need to do is you have to reach out to your bank